Hi Centennial Stars! The Centennial Virtual Science Fair is coming up on January 20th and I'm here to give you a couple tips for success. Remember that our theme is Race into Action. We're going to be taking care of our natural world and learning about that through videos from our local scientists. Some of our local scientists have made videos for us and activities, and those include Alyssa Adams from Mount St. Helens, and Ariel from downtown at Puget Sound Estuarium, and Kelly Golob, he's going to teach us about bees. Sam Nadell is going to teach us about phytoplankton and water. Erin Rainey is a camera woman that's going to show us some wildlife. Andrea Kundar is a physics professor at St. Martin's and going to go into space with us with black holes. Amy Christie has a video and project for us from the Pacific Shellfish Institute. Kelly Stanley is going to be teaching us about trees and forests. And Jihan Grettenberger is going to make a water filter with us. We also have a school assembly from OMSI with wild weather. But guess what? You're part of the science fair too. We need your science fair projects in Flipgrid. You have 2 more weeks to share them. And let me give you a few tips. So when you go into the science fair, there's 3 boards. There's one for sharing your science fair project. There's one for sharing your art if you want to. And if you want to share your question right now just to show people what you're studying, that's great too. So let's go into the science fair projects. And as you notice, there's 6 people who have already done their science fair project. Well, including me, so 5 kiddos at Centennial. When it's time for you to share your science fair project, Centennial Stars, you click record a response. Oh, there we are. And you could upload a clip. Maybe you took a clip from your parent's phone or different computer. You can upload a clip. You could record your screen and share a slideshow or an Adobe Spark or a document with us. Or you can record using this record button. Now I could just click record and there I am recording. I could pause and add some effects. That's really fun. The filters add some different color to my screen. Maybe I want to be rainbow. Maybe I'm feeling shy and I want to be pixelated for some of it. Maybe I want to be black and white. I'm going to choose this green and I can go back to effects and add a frame if it matches your science fair project. There we go. And you could start recording right there and talk and share your science fair project and say, hi, I'm Jen in Mrs. Knight's class and I'm here to teach you guys about earthquakes. Here's what I learned. And you could pause it, and you could go back to effects, and you could add some text. Maybe you want to write the word earthquakes. When you click record here, it will record a video with these things on the screen. So when you click next, and talk and share your science fair project, you can add your name. You can even change your selfie. Maybe you don't want the font on there. Maybe you want a different effect. You can change the frame to something like that and take the selfie. And that's the picture that people will see when you click submit. And when it uploads, just takes a minute. Make sure you click complete and people will see your Flipgrid video here and they can make comments on it too. And remember to watch people's science fair projects and leave comments for them, just like Lynn did right here.
So today we're gonna make it.
Just make sure you get it in Flipgrid so that we can see each other's science fair projects this year, because we don't get to go to the gym together, and this would still be a fun way to learn science and learn from each other. And remember to comment on each other's and leave feedback for each other's science fair projects. Some tips for success is don't stop if your experiment doesn't turn out the way you think it should, or if your hypothesis is proved incorrect. Just look at your results and ask if they make sense, and even if it's a failure, you can still record it in Flipgrid and it'll be fun to learn from. And remember to apply some background research to your results to figure out why what you did happened. And above all, just have fun learning something new. Remember, you can also do art for the science fair this year, just so you can have a chance to participate in the science fair this year. There is a board in Flipgrid for you to put your art in. Now the timeline, we're all the way here at the end. It says by January 20th, record a video in Flipgrid. And then remember on January 20th, 21st, and 22nd, we get to watch all. Taking care of our world is our job together, and just make sure your projects and experiments are safe and respectful for our environment. I can't wait to see what you create, Centennial Stars. Bye for now.